Hey beauties, I'm going to show you how you can take your nails from this to this. Now, we all want an affordable way to get our nails done, so keep on watching. And the nails I'm going to be using today are from the Nailest, and I'm going to their custom nail bar section, and those are the nails that I will be applying. Also, I have a pair of their Instant Glam, which is a quick, affordable way to get your nails fast. And these are how this look, and the other ones take a little bit more time just because they're a customization. Now, just to start off and show you guys the nails, this is what it is looking like. The perfect nail salon blinged out acrylic nails. Here's the card, and it just shows you where you can find them, how to apply the nails, and also how to remove them. Now, the nails came with buffers, cuticle pushers, some nail files, also a alcohol pad, and I also ordered some nail adhesives from them, and this is just some kiss glue that I had from before, and also a cuticle clipper. Now, starting off by gently buffing the nail, we're going to do this to all of our fingers to prepare our nail. Next, we're going to take another cuticle pit pusher, not the one that I got in the kit, but I have my own that also has like basically how a nail file or a buffer would be is at the tip. So because I didn't soak my nails and I'm just doing it from scratch, I'm using this cuticle pusher to remove all the excess outgrown cuticles on my nails, just to make sure we have a nice even base to apply our nails on. Next, we're going to take an alcohol pad and we're going to wipe all that dust off of our nails. That way when we go to stick the tabs on, it makes sure it's on securely and your nails will be good. Okay, so you either have the option of using glue or, like I said, the stick tabs. I'm going to use stick tabs because with my line of work, I don't like to have long nails, and this just makes it where I can wear it for the weekend and still have that glam that I like. So once you find the nail tab that fits each finger to put the adhesive on, you just take it, put it on, and rub it on until it's on your nail. Now, taking the first nail, I'm going to peel off the plastic and take the nail, pushing it from the end first into the cuticle and then pressing down. You want to at least hold your nail for about 5 to 10 seconds really firmly to make sure the nail is in place. Now, the first time I did do this, I did not press down the nails as long and they were able to pop off really easily. But you can see that when you do it this way, no matter if you bang your nails, they're not going to come off. Period, poo. And that is it. A simple nail salon at home look without going anywhere. Here's an up close look at the nails. I loved how they turned out. Make sure you guys check the description box below to get all links to how to get these nails. And honestly, the nail adhesive is really good. Look. Insane. Not no nail popping off, lifting, or anything. And I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to remove these nails. And look, there's no damage to my nails. The nail adhesive tab can come off very easily just by pulling it. And that is it. A quick nail to go.